Recording is on.
It is the 3rd of December, 2020, WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
This is Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And this past week, I did some follow-up to our successful process improvement, which was getting more people on the call. And also just did follow-up with Trello, looking at Trello and reviving my Slack station, my Slack app and account, and inviting the new member not the new member, but the newly active member, and so those were the main things I did. I also just now opened up the recovered things off my old laptop that have the charitable status report. I still didn't get my goal done of maybe I'll talk about that in blocks. Anyway, those are the things I did last week. Coming week, I'd like to register again at either SourceForge or GitHub, and so I've got something to do with that in Crosstalk. And blocks are kind of just a lot of things, a lot of moving parts and priorities. That high priority things that don't have to do with WIKISPEED. So that's it for me.
Okay, it's Michael Olchuk from Saskatoon, Canada. Last week, I posted the meeting video. I revived some of our overhead tasks. Ryan was invited to the Slack channel, the Wikifactory projects, except for the SGT01. I don't seem to be able to do an invite on that one, and I haven't figured out why yet. I wrote up a summary for the tank level project, so I created it on Wikifactory and sent out the invites. The level sensor, I worked on the repeater code a bit. I did some more testing, and I got the program code committed to Wiki project, so it's not a single source file. It's two separate source files, but at least I got something committed. Level sensor enclosure, I didn't make any progress. And the mobile battery inverter, since I reacquainted myself with the WIKISPEED project or Wiki project website, I added the mobile battery inverter project, and I named it Mini Trailer. 120 volt with a description, a couple pictures. Actually, the couple pictures I don't think I've posted yet. Didn't make any progress on the actual build, but I did do some documentation, so I think that's a good thing. Sunfounder Raspberry Pi car, I haven't made any progress. Next week, I am hoping to test out the new board from the Suncatcher if I can figure out a way to charge the battery. I would still like to finish that mobile battery powered inverter, get a water resistant enclosure set up for the level sensor, and work on some more code. And blocks. I still can't find the friggin' charger for the Suncatcher, so it's difficult to charge the batteries up. Back to you, Lauren.
Okay, so I'll give myself a 6, team a 9, and process improvement, mainly just like stay in touch and keep just keep maintaining and making sure everything works. So it seems that it paid off doing that. It paid off doing that thing of the getting the scheduling, the Jitsi scheduling working. Sorry, some printer cartridges just fell out of my printer, or out of my printer. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for me.
Okay. I think I did 3 out of 4, 1 for showing up, so I'm going to give myself 8.5. I'll go with an 8.5 for the team as well. And process improvement, I don't really have an improvement. Keep showing up, keep doing stuff. I think is probably what we should continue to do. And it's nice to have somebody pop by once in a while and ask a couple of questions. It kind of lights a fire under our butts, and we get some stuff done. So we have to find a way to get more people to dial in. But we've been saying that for a while. That pretty much does it for stand-up.
Okay. Yeah, so for crosstalk, oh, yeah, there's, I just thought of something. I'm excited that you posted that, and so I want to read up a lot on the sensor thing, and maybe I just want to read and understand as much as I can, and maybe order parts, and start to talk to people here about using it for the cistern, because that's a frequent need, same as yours. It's you want to know. It's really annoying to run out of water. So.
Yes, it is.
So that's kind of. I think I'd like to drop off the recording now, but I did want to chat. I have an idea about a kind of a little working session now, a little brief working session now to do some things.
Okay, I'm just going to hit the button here then.